Welcome to the Valotalive Help Center. In this video, we'll show you how to activate and set up the Trello app within Valotalive to allow you to display your Trello board content on your digital signage. You'll start by finding the Trello app from your Valotalive dashboard. Just locate the application and click on Create New. Then Activate. We always recommend naming the application something easy to recall later. For example, give it the same name as the board you wish to display. The next step will be authenticating with OAuth 2 for a secure connection. You'll then choose the preferred board from the drop-down. Finally, you'll adjust how long the Trello content is shown on the screen before the next app in your flow is displayed. 12 seconds is the default setting. When all is configured, you can then click Save. Once activated and configured, your chosen Trello boards will be ready to securely display on your designated screens. If you have any trouble, please ensure the following two prerequisites are met. First, you have a Trello Premium or Enterprise subscription. Second, the Trello account used for authentication has admin access to the Trello organization you want to display. That's how to activate and use the Trello app in Valotalive. For more detailed guidance, please explore the other articles in our Help Center. Thanks for watching.